Welcome, puzzle explorers.
No.
Look at our mighty truck friends zooming along the sunny beach today.
Whoa, splash! Our truck just found some fishy friends in the waves. Are they hungry too?
Oh no, hold your breath. He's taking a giant leap into the blue. Kapow! Watch those parts fly!
What?
Bruh.
Everything is calm again. Look at that massive cruise ship sailing by while our truck rests on the sand.
Wow, look at all those thank you messages popping up. Everyone loves our helpful mighty truck.
Whoa, look at him.
Our crab buddy says goodbye. You did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. See you on our next big adventure. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Ready to match some awesome desert machines with me?
Whoa, look at those mysterious shadows. Is that a giant spaceship? Vroom!
Not quite silly. That's our hardworking tractor and a sturdy road roller ready for some desert work. Now, can you help us find the missing pieces for our loader and the powerful backhoe loader? Drop that big shovel right into place. Clunk, click, perfect match.
I'm helping the backhoe loader find its wheels. Beep beep, let's roll.
Ta-da! You did it! These vehicles are ready to go, and you are official. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers! Ready to help our brave police friends catch a cheeky thief.
Oh no, he swiped the wheels. Quick, let's chase him down. Zoom zoom.
Don't worry, we can fix these vehicles. Can you point to the missing siren on your screen?
I think the siren goes on the bumper. Wait, no, that's silly, right?
Haha! Not quite! The siren sits right on top so everyone hears it coming. Click! Look at that shiny wheel snap into place. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels ready to roll.
No! God!
Oops! The officer dropped his donut. Let's get that window fixed before he gets hungry again.
Great job matching those pieces, team. You're doing a fantastic job helping the police squad.
Meow, why is there a kitty in the police SUV? That's the cutest siren I've ever seen.
The cat is our special helper today. Keep tapping those parts. You're almost finished. The vehicles are fully repaired and looking brand new. Look, Mr. Bean is dancing.
Boom! Pop! Fireworks everywhere. You guys are the best mechanics in the whole world.
High five! You solved every puzzle today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Let's zoom along the beach with our brave police car friend.
Whoa, look out! Is that a monster police car? It's super grumpy. Zoom zoom.
Oh no, those sparks mean trouble. Can you help our brave police car stay safe? Tap the screen to help him. Zap! Urge to one super vehicle. That is one cool trick.
Magic is in the air. Look, the Grim Reaper is using his powers to take the monster car apart. Abracadabra.
It's building time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the missing parts.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hot dog. Mickey Mouse is here to help us finish this puzzle. Great job spotting that piece, everyone.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere! SpongeBob and Squidward are joining the party. You did it, Puzzle Masters! See you next time!
Welcome back, Puzzle Explorers. Can you count these 2 rolling tires with me? 1, 2.
Whoa, is that a giant lemon? Oh wait, it's a super fast yellow tractor! Vroom vroom!
That's right. It's a hardworking tractor that helps farmers grow our food. It's getting spooky. Look at those skull tires. Do you think they belong to a ghost truck?
Maybe it's a candy truck. I bet it's filled with chocolate bars and gummy bears.
Hell yeah!
Not quite. That's a menacing monster truck with a giant eye. Stay back. It looks really grumpy. Look out. The monster truck is using its plow to lift that orange car. That is one strong machine. Uh-oh. Here comes our yellow loader friend. I hope they can be friends instead of fighting.
Such electric sparks everywhere. The yellow loader is brave, but it's time to drive away fast.
Adventure! You all did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. See you next. Welcome, Puzzle Heroes. Let's help our brave police car friend get back on patrol in the desert.
Ooh, let's try these big square blocks. Wait, those look like building bricks, not wheels.
Oops, silly bee! Those won't help our car roll. Point to the round. Rubber tires instead, everyone. Click-clack. Perfect fit. Those tires are ready for action. Vroom vroom, off he goes.
2, 1, go!
Now our mighty pickup truck needs some help. Can you count how many wheels he is missing?
Maybe we can use these triangle shapes? No, oh man, that's definitely a no signal.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ting! You found the right ones! Great job spotting those matching black tires. Superstar!
3, 2, 1, go!
High fives all around! Our police team is fully assembled and ready to keep the streets safe.
2,
You were amazing today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Bye-bye.
Hey there, Puzzle Explorers! Who is hiding behind those mysterious shadows? Let's find out together.
Oh my god!
Look, it's our hardworking digger friend. Can you point to the big arm he uses to scoop up dirt?
Is this a giant pizza slice? I think it fits on the wheel loader.
Silly co-host, that's not a pizza. That's the heavy-duty bucket for our friend. Click, snap, it fits.
Vroom vroom! Now help me find the tracks for our digger. Are they hiding on the left or the right?
Perfect. Those sturdy tracks help him roll over bumpy ground. Great job matching those shapes. Don't forget the wheels for our loader. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Beep beep, almost there. Just slide that cabin into place and we are ready for the construction site.
Boom! Fireworks for our finished vehicle. You did it! Superstars! Whoa, Zoom into the future, team. Look at those sleek motorbikes ready for the race. Wait a second, I see shadows. Are there 2 or 3? Quick, help me count them.
Oh, they're glowing! Is it a spaceship? Maybe a giant robot transformer?
It's the Turbo Trio. On your marks, get set, go! Vroom vroom!
Haha, look at that silly cat. Hey, stop tickling the screen and pick a bike.
Click! You found it! And look, our spooky skeleton friend is here to celebrate with a dance!
Shake those bones. Can you wiggle like the skeleton? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle!
You guys are puzzle masters! Smash that subscribe button and catch us next time for more fun! Hey there, super learners! Ready to zoom into a construction adventure? Vroom vroom! Look at those hardworking diggers go! Can you count all 4 of our heavy-duty friends with me?
Whoa, a magical witch just zoomed by. Where did all their beautiful colors go?
Oh no, they've turned into mysterious outlines! Don't worry, we can fix this with a little color magic. See those shapes floating above? We need to match the right color to the right machine. It's like a giant puzzle.
I think the blue one goes here. Or maybe, wait, that's not right. Uh-oh, the screen says sad face.
Careful, buddy. Take a deep breath and look closely at the shapes. Which one fits the excavator best? Yes, that one clicks perfectly into place. Ding! Keep going, you're doing amazing!
No! God!
Every single vehicle is back in color. You did it, construction team? Yes!
Even the dancing rat is wearing fancy 3D glasses. He knows you guys are the ultimate puzzle masters.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. With the boy. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma
You solved the mystery and saved the day. Give yourselves a huge round of applause, everyone! See you next time!
Good job!
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready for a big construction adventure today?
Vroom, vroom! Look at our mighty friends. The digger, the road roller, and the dump truck.
Whoa, they turned into shadows! Can you guess which one is hiding in the dark? Time to build! Let's snap these puzzle pieces into place. Click, click, click!
Wow, they look amazing now that they're complete! Great job matching those parts, team.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit there! Try the other side. You've got this, keep going!
Pop confetti time! You finished the puzzle perfectly. You guys are total construction superstars.
Welcome, everyone. Our playful doll friend is ready for a big road adventure today.
Look at all those engines. Vroom, vroom. I bet that tanker truck is carrying a giant mountain of jelly beans.
Not quite, silly. That is a mighty tanker truck, and he helps transport important liquids safely across the city. Oh no! Our mighty tanker truck lost his cabin. Which colorful piece should we choose to help him get moving again?
No, 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 no.
Is it the blue one? Maybe the green one? Wait, let's grab that pink cabin and click it into place. Click!
Perfect fit! You did it! Our pink cab friend is ready to roll out on the highway now. Beep beep! What a fantastic team effort, everyone! You are all puzzle-solving superstars today. Rev your engines! It is time to race into a world of shadows and puzzles with Blaze! Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes! Can you help us match our monster machine friends to their silhouettes?
I bet that giant one is Zay. He is super strong and loves to smash right.
The timer is ticking. Quick, find the right spot before the clock hits 0. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh, that is a big no! That shape is way too pointy for our friend's stripes.
Let's get moving! Tap your screen to the beat and help Blaze jump on those rhythm tiles. You are doing amazing! Point your finger right at the screen to guide our buddies home. Ting! It's a perfect match! Look at how they glow with super speed energy.
Wait, is that Mr. Krabs? He's lost, but he's definitely not a monster truck. Keep focused, team.
We are on the final stretch. Let's place the last few pieces to light up the sky. Boom! Wow, look at those fireworks! You've solved every single puzzle like a true champion. Great racing today. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some super cool police vehicles with us today?
Whoa, look at all those floating parts. I bet it's a giant race car, right?
Not quite silly. That's a SWAT truck, and it needs our help to get ready for duty. Slide that big tire right into the shadow. Click perfect match. Boom! Our SWAT truck is complete. Look at all that confetti. You did amazing.
SWAT truck.
Wow, look at those real-life armored trucks patrolling the city. They look so strong.
SWAT truck.
special weapons and tactics. SWAT trucks are equipped with gear and weaponry to handle high-risk situations, such as hostage rescues and armed standoffs.
Time for a new challenge! Can you find the matching armor plate for this police vehicle?
OMG, you found the last piece. That truck is ready to roll.
Water cannon police.
Vroom vroom. Check out that water cannon clearing the way. It's super
Specialized
powerful.
vehicles equipped with water cannons used for crowd control and dispersal of rioters or large gatherings.
Steady now. Let's fit the side panel into its home. Just like that. Another victory. You guys are becoming master puzzle builders.
Police armored vehicle. An armored vehicle used to protect officers during high-risk operations, such as serving warrants or dealing with heavily armed suspects.
Last one. Let's put this police pickup truck together and save the day.
You are my hero. That was the perfect final piece.
Prisoner truck. Prisoner truck. A specialized
Great
truck
job
used
today,
by law
team.
enforcement
You've
to
learned
transport
all about
multiple
police
prisoners
vehicles
securely.
and solved every puzzle. See you next time for more fun.
Yay!
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, we are building some super cool construction machines. Are you ready?
Whoa, a cement mixer. Is it going to make a giant pizza in that big drum?
Ah, not quite. That drum spins to mix concrete for building sturdy houses. Let's click these pieces together. Snap! Now we're in the green fields. Quick, point to the screen and help me find the dump bed for our heavy-duty friend.
I see it. It's the big boxy part that carries all the dirt. Vroom vroom. Here it goes.
Perfect match! You kids are absolute puzzle masters. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. Ta-da! Look at them glow! You did a... Hey there, puzzle explorers. Vroom vroom! Are you ready to meet our 4 mighty monster truck pals today?
I see 4 shiny trucks. Should we race them to the moon, post A?
Not quite. Silly. We need to play a shadow matching game first. Can you spot which shadow belongs to our trucks?
Ooh, they're popping in and out of bubbles like magic. Keep your eyes peeled, everyone.
Let's find the head for our hardworking digger. Does it fit here? Nope, that's not it.
Maybe it goes in the blue shadow? Wait, that's a tire. My mistake. Let's try again.
Good try. Remember, look for the matching shape. Point your finger at the screen when you see the right one. Good. That's a perfect match for our heroic fire truck. Great job spotting that, team.
Beep, beep. Look at our brave police car buddy coming together. 3, 2, 1, snap. It fits.
We have the Jolly Garbage truck and Mighty truck left. Count them with me. 1, 2. You're doing amazing.
Boom. All pieces are in place. These trucks look absolutely fantastic.
Happy New Year, everyone. We did it. High fives all around for our super puzzle masters. See you next time. explorers. Get ready for a supersized mystery mission. Look at that big shadow. It's a mighty tanker truck waiting for its engine.
3.
I bet it's a giant pink one. Pink is definitely the fastest color, right?
Not quite, my funny friend. Let's count down and see who can find the perfect match. 3, 2, 1, go! Touch the screen and pick the right cab for our tanker. Whoops! That purple cab is too small. Try again, kids!
Maybe the orange one, no? Oh man, that red X is so grumpy.
Keep going. Is it the pink one? Nope, try another color. Look at that penguin cheering you on! Don't give up now.
Wait, is that the yellow one? Yes, it fits perfectly. Click!
Vroom vroom! Our mighty tanker is finally complete and glowing bright. You did it, superstars! Hit that subscribe button for more puzzle. Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Today we are building a super strong machine piece by piece. Are you ready? Look at these mysterious shapes! Can you guess which hardworking friend we are putting together today?
Whoopsie! That doesn't fit. Maybe try a different one, buddy.
Great observation! Keep searching for the right match to help our digger get to work.
No!
Click! That one is a perfect snap. We are making real progress now. He's getting stronger. Let's find the piece for that big, heavy arm next.
Uh-oh, that piece is way too tiny. Try again, superstar.
You nailed it. That fits like a glove. Amazing job focusing. We are almost there. Just a few more parts to make our digger shine.
Final stretch. Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Place it.
Ta-da! Our hardworking digger is fully assembled and ready to build. You are a master puzzle builder. Welcome, explorers. Grab your detective hats. We are heading into the desert for a super cool puzzle mission.
Wow, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a giant spaceship? Post A?
Not quite silly. Those are the silhouettes of our brave vehicle friends waiting to be built. Let's help them. Point your fingers at the screen. Can you find the wheels for our hardworking digger? Click them into place.
Vroom vroom. I think the big blue body part goes right here. Wait, maybe it goes upside down?
Oops, careful. That piece needs to turn around to fit the heroic fire truck perfectly. Try again. That siren looks amazing on top of our brave police car. You guys are doing fantastic. Almost there. Let's count the vehicles together. 1, 2, 3. Ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! Look at them go. You solved the puzzle and saved the day, little heroes. High five, everyone. Vroom, vroom. Buckle up, explorers. Our mighty truck friends are heading out on a sunny adventure.
Haha, look at them go. They're having so much fun on the road today.
Oh no, their trailers are missing. Can you help us pick the right cab to match them up?
I bet this big square piece fits perfectly. Wait, why is it shaking its head at me?
Oh my god!
Oops, that's not a match. Remember, look closely at the shapes before you snap them together.
Oh my god!
Don't give up now. Keep trying different pieces until we find the one that clicks.
Oh no!
Click! You did it! That piece fits like a glove. Hooray for our super puzzle solvers!
High fives all around, team. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us for our next big mission.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to fix some big machines with us today.
Oh no! Our hardworking digger friend is broken and sad. Can we help him?
Don't worry, little
Why are you
ones.
crying?
We have our robot friend ready to jump into action. Time to build. Can you point at the screen and help the robot find the tracks? Click!
I think the tracks go on the roof. Am I doing it right?
Not quite, silly. Tracks go on the bottom to help our digger roll. Vroom!
Put me down.
Now, let's attach that big, strong arm. 3, 2, 1, snap! Perfect fit!
Look at him go! You did amazing, team! Let's celebrate with a big high five and a blast of fireworks. Boom!